One way to see more with your MagView phone and binoculars is to use the digital zoom. But if your camera has telephoto cameras, you can zoom in even further, turning your 10 power binoculars into a 30 power spotting scope. If your phone has a telephoto camera, you can skip using the MagView camera app and lock your phone to use your telephoto lens. It's simple. Just go into your camera settings and select the lens you want to use. We have step-by-step video on how to do this for Apple, Google, and Android phones on our YouTube channel under Tech Tips. The MagView Digiscoping adapters are non-intrusive and always ready. Just attach your phone to your optic and you're good to go. Attaching your phone without the app does take a little practice, but it does get easier with practice. Just align the circle of light from your optic in the center of your phone. With a little bit of practice, you'll find you don't even need the app. On my Samsung phone, besides having the standard 1 power camera, I have a 3 power and a 10 power camera as well. When I pair the 3 power camera with the 10 power GPO range guide binoculars, I effectively get a 30 power magnification. I can do the same with the 10 power, but the problem with the 10 power is it becomes very unstable and it requires a little bit more work to get a really good quality image. However, under the right conditions, it is an amazing way to extend your view. With MagView, you're not just taking long-range photos and videos, you're extending the range of your optics instantly with gear that's already in your pocket. See what you can see with the MagView Digiscoping adapters.